In today's Everdon Maths class, we have a question before us. The exact value 218 minus 213 squared is dash. I repeat, the exact value 218 squared minus 213 squared is dash. So let's start by working. We have two methods of doing this question. In today's Everdon Maths class, we will be using only one method to do it, but I will tell you the other method. But the first method we are going to use is what I will advise us to use in a question like this. So let's get on. So the first method is using difference of two squares. The second method is you can square this with your calculator or your long multiplication method, subtracted, and put your subtraction sign rather, and you square this 213 squared, and then you find the difference, you get your answer. But you can also do what I'm about to do using difference of two squares, using difference of what? Two squares. What is difference of two squares? Difference of two squares, this is when two perfect squares subtract each other. I repeat, difference of two squares, this is when two perfect squares subtract each other, and the result is the product of their sum and their difference, or the product of their difference and their sum. This difference of two squares, I repeat, this is when two perfect squares subtract each other. What are perfect squares? Perfect squares is the result we get when a number multiplies itself. This is a perfect square. When a multiplies a, give me a squared. 64 is a perfect square. When 8 multiplies itself, that's 8, it gives me 64. Meaning, if I say a squared minus 64, this is difference of two squares. Meaning, I can as well say a squared minus 8 squared. That is difference of two perfect squares. So this is when two perfect squares subtract each other, and the result is the product of their sum and their difference. So you will not say a and plus 8, a minus 8, or the product of their difference and their sum. I hope you understand what I just did. So in the same vein, you will bring the question before us, 218 squared minus 213 squared. So you bring it out here, 218 squared minus 213 squared, and the result is the product of their sum and their difference. So we have 218 plus 213, and then 218 minus 213. So when you add up these two, 218, 213, it gives you 8 plus 3, 11. Put down 1, gives us 3, and then 4. We have 431 multiplied by what? 218 minus 213, it gives me 8 minus 3 is 5, 0, and then 0. So we have 5. So we now have 431 times 5. So we have 431 times 5, which will give me 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 3, 15. Put down 5, carry 1. 5 times 4 is 20, plus that one, 21. 2,155. So we got 2,155 as our final answer. So you come to your option here, and you see your option 2,155 as option D. I hope you enjoyed this class. So for more content like this, you like, you share, and you follow for more. Also go to the comment section and do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in our next class.